everyone, it's Site Interpreter Kayla here with the Illinois Department of Natural Resources at Pure Marquette State Park in Grafton, and I'm here today to tell you some tips with your binoculars. So if you have a pair of binoculars, go ahead and grab them, and if you don't but you're looking to purchase a pair, that's fine. I'll give you some recommendations on what to look for.
So whenever you Google binoculars to purchase, it can be overwhelming. There's a lot of information. For example, what do all these numbers mean? The first number is magnification. This indicates how much larger the image will be whenever you view it with your binoculars. The second number is lens diameter size. The higher the number, the better it will do in a low light setting such as a dark forest. So if you're looking to purchase a pair of binoculars, I highly suggest Celestron Nature DX 8x42 binoculars. They're lightweight and have great reviews on Amazon, and for $120, they can't be beat.
So you have found your perfect pair of binoculars. The first thing that you need to do before you adjust them is to make sure that the lens and the eyepiece are clean. In order to do this, whenever you purchase binoculars, they usually come with a microfiber cloth towel. Use this towel to gently wipe away debris and smudges from the lens and the eyepiece. Some people will breathe on the lens or the eyepiece and then wipe it clean with their shirt. Do not do this. This could scratch the binoculars and slowly degrade them over time. Also, do not take fluid used to clean eyeglasses or windows to clean them. This could eat away at the glass coating.
So now we're ready to sight in your binoculars. The first step in doing this is to grab the left barrel by the left hand, the right barrel with the right hand, and to bend it ever so slightly until the distance between your eyepieces matches the distance between your eyes.
Second way to focus your binoculars is to pick a stationary object about 30 to 40 feet away. I'm going to choose this tractor. And then you want to focus your binoculars by looking at your stationary object, putting your right hand over your right lens of your barrel, looking at the stationary object, and then focusing it with your focus wheel until the image is sharp. It's pretty sharp. And then you want to do the same but with the left side. So you put your left hand over the left lens on the left barrel, look at the stationary object, and then focus the diopter until the image is sharp. Okay. Finally, these are your eye cups. If you wear glasses, they should be down, but if you don't, they should be up. You can adjust them simply by turning them.
So if you'd like to try out a pair of binoculars before you made the purchase, just come to Pure Marquette State Park and check out a pair. It's free.
Time for some tips. One of my professors once told me that whenever you're looking through your binoculars, if you take your elbow and put it on your chest/stomach area, you can stabilize your view. Another tip is whenever you're looking through your binoculars, if you're wearing a hat, if you grab the bill of your hat, it helps you stabilize your view also.
So that was Binoculars for Beginners, and hopefully you guys get to go out this weekend and try out your binoculars and come to Pure Marquette State Park. Our biking and hiking trails have reopened to the public.